Hello, humans of the world. Welcome back to
Jokes
Apart.
Apart.
I am Ife.
And I'm Patrick.
So today we'll be talking about
A pretty controversial topic, which I think is quite interesting, especially on social media and in this day and age. And it is packaging versus forming. What is packaging? What is forming? Where do you draw the line?
where?
That's what we're talking about today.
Okay, so I feel like we should define what packaging and forming is first. So
Yes.
Patrick, what is packaging to you?
To me, packaging is presenting yourself well. It's all about, it's selling yourself, right? So you're in a crowd and there are 1,000 people like you. There are 1,000 people that can do what you do or are offering what it is that you also have to offer, right? So packaging is how you differentiate yourself from other people. It's just standing out and being unique.
Okay.
That's how I see packaging.
Okay, packaging for me will be presenting yourself as the way you want to be addressed. So for example now, if I know that I'm an intern, executive intern.
No,
But
intern, there's no
executive-
such thing as executive intern.
If I know that I'm an intern, but I'm trying to go to senior banking officer level, then I'll probably wear, things that I've seen senior banking women wearing. I'll probably maybe wear suits, or even the way I talk will be like, oh, is she on intern level? She must be. She has, okay.
You will not act like them.
I will
You
act,
not
I will
walk
wear,
the-
you know what I'm
your
talking
bosses are
about.
watching the
You
show.
know
You will
what,
not walk
you
their
know what
walk
I'm
is-
saying, man. You know what I'm saying. Why trying to? Why?
But I get you.
You get me? So I want to be addressed the way, and I visualize myself in the future. So I will present myself in a way that I see myself in 10 years. So packaging is more like a more wholesome way of putting yourself out there without lying about who you are.
There may be some lies though.
Well, I mean, I dream to be an SBO one day, so I will, visualize that I am, and I'll wear the things that an SBO wears, or I'll talk the way they do, and even the content that I put out there will be as of an SBO. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, with you.
Yeah.
It's just being in their shoes before you're actually that person.
This is why you're my
Yeah,
right hand.
you
Yeah.
flow.
He'd sink.
So forming. So what is forming?
The breathe that you just breathed.
Because that's a little hard to differentiate. Forming is unethical.
Bye.
Forming is bad.
You make me tired.
Okay. Forming is when, so rather than trying to be a better version of yourself, you're trying to be someone else completely different from who you are, right? So if you're a cat, you're trying to be a lion.
No,
Excuse
continue.
That is forming, right? But if there's a way you package yourself as a cat, that you can still be fierce, right? Like a premium cat.
now
So you can still be fierce, right? So
now
it's
we
still
get
who
it.
you are, but it's just the best version of who you are, not someone else.
Okay.
Remember, packaging is yourself, but enhanced.
Okay.
But forming is not even yourself anymore.
Oh.
Do you understand? So you're acting like you're someone else completely different. But that has repercussions because sometimes you may not be able to live up to certain standards.
Expectations.
Yes.
Continuously, consistently.
So which one would you say society currently does more, especially on social media?
Okay, hot seat. I feel like people just, especially on Instagram, we try to
Specific.
portray a lifestyle that is, aesthetically.
Please don't remove that part.
Aesthetically.
Please don't remove that part. It's possible that someone that was born and bred in UK
Oh,
cannot
please.
pronounce.
Oh,
Excuse me.
please,
Give me my
please.
2 seconds.
Please.
Aesthetically.
Aesthetically speaking, people on Instagram like things that are nice. They don't want to see your sad.
Pleasing to the eye.
Pleasing. They don't want to see your sad story of how you got from grass to grace. No, we want to see the grace. Okay?
Finished product.
The finished product. We don't want to see the struggle, the cries.
So that's forming.
That's forming, but because that's not reality. It's not. If we're being honest with each other. So
Yeah.
I feel like, especially on Instagram, you put your best face out there because most times Instagram is a place where you actually get booked you get your money from. So I don't want to be putting myself looking lame. I want to put
Yes.
myself in my best place because it's one like a non-professional LinkedIn. So
Okay.
you put yourself out there. It's like a CV.
Yes,
Yeah, a
a
picture
visual
CV, a visual
CV.
CV. So you put yourself out there. So that doesn't mean that it's always bad. It just means that sometimes when people now see in real life, you have to live up to that standard,
Yes.
which some people don't do.
Which some people can't do actually, and I think that's the repercussion of forming. So let's talk about the corporate world. Which one happens in the corporate world more personally? And I'm not going to say because I'm in the corporate world, but I think in the corporate world there's more packaging.
Okay, yeah, I agree.
I think it's more packaging. From your CV, there's something I was training on Twitter recently where they were like, if you change the light bulb, how would you put it on your CV?
I was part of the team who changed the
Yeah,
chemical
same.
engineering to the
Yeah.
software of the
So that
positioning.
is packaging.
That's packaging.
Because you did
it.
change the light bulb.
You just elaborated. You just
Yes.
put padding. Yeah.
So that's packaging. So I think in the corporate world, but the corporate world knows how to package very,
Very well.
very well.
What? My CV is looking like 15 years experience. When I off this week now, oh my God. Yeah.
It's a picture of that.
You're rude. Going forward, what do you think people should do more of? Package or form?
I was about to jump into I personally package, but I mean, if you do, it's actually not a very good thing if you don't package.
Okay.
Because you must sell yourself and sell yourself
Yes,
well.
yes.
Nobody else. So
Yes.
I package because I want people to see me in a certain light, and that's how I do. It's still who I am, but just a better version. So yeah, I think it's important that you package well. I
Yeah.
said it.
Yeah, like I said in the beginning, if you see yourself in a certain place in 10 years' time, you visualize that and you work and walk towards that. So there's nothing wrong with that. It's just
Okay.
it goes wrong when you start doing things that you know isn't true to yourself, and in reality you can't keep up with that.
Deep.
No shade,
Deep.
but shade.
That was
Oh,
deep.
God. Okay,
like that.
so that's all for today again, guys. Thank you so much for joining. If they're like how many weeks we'll have.
So let's know what you think about packaging and forming. Which would you do? Which would you advise people not to do? And what do you think are the repercussions of forming and then not packaging?
Yeah. Until next time, remember guys, a smile a day keeps the wrinkles away. I just made that up right now. I swear down. Just made that up right
What
now.
did you say in the first episode? There was something
I
similar
said
to
spread
this.
love and
Spread love.
be-
No,
be
I
loved.
said spread love.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Love wins.
Shall be good. Bye guys.